Zimbabwe's financial integrity is under the microscope. Acting Auditor General Rhea Kujinga has unveiled a staggering report, exposing massive financial leakages in vehicle procurement for various ministries. Tenders were shockingly awarded to companies with a history of non-delivery. Despite President Mnangagwa's bold anti-corruption pledge, the findings reveal advance payments of ZWL $1.7 billion and $2.3 million for vehicles that never arrived. The implications are grave. Public funds meant to serve the nation have seemingly vanished into thin air as citizens grapple with economic hardships. This scandal comes as a bitter blow to trust in governmental processes. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and demand accountability. Zimbabwe deserves transparency and integrity. The time for change is now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. See you next time.